You've sued your doctor. You believe that he violated the basic standards of medical care. And now your case goes all the way to trial. At trial, you're sitting in the courtroom and the doctor's sitting in the aisle next to you. And you want to go over and start talking to the doctor. You want to apologize for putting him through all this stuff. Is it a good idea to go over and shake his hand and say, "Doctor, I'm sorry"? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and the short answer is no, it's not a good idea. You brought a lawsuit for a reason, to try and get compensation for all the harms and the injuries and the losses that you suffered. You liked your doctor, you loved your doctor. You'd go back to him each and every year until you recognized that he did something that violated the basic standards of medical care, causing you significant harm and injury. And now, the only way the doctor is going to compensate you, or his insurance company, is by bringing a lawsuit against him. And now it's been 2 long years, and now your case has finally arrived at trial. The doctor and his attorney have fought you tooth and nail. Every single issue they fought you on. You claim the doctor did something wrong. He says, "No, I didn't." You claim that the doctor caused you harm. The doctor says, "I didn't cause you any injury. You have injuries from some other reasons." And you claim that your injuries are very significant. And you know what the doctor's attorney says? He says, "Your injuries really aren't as bad as you claim them to be." So now, in order to resolve this dispute, your case goes to trial. And 6 members of the community here in New York are going to have to decide whether you are more likely right than wrong. Now, during the course of trial, the doctor is going to be there each and every day. You're going to be there each and every day. And you actually feel bad for the doctor sitting there. You liked him at one point. You loved him. And you want nothing more than to go over and say, "Hey, Dr. Jones, I just want to let you know I'm so sorry for having to put you through this." Really? The moment you do that, he's going to tell his attorney, and now when you get up on the witness stand to testify, the defense lawyer is going to use that information against you. They're going to argue to the jury that you feel guilty. They're going to argue that you should never have brought this lawsuit, that maybe somebody talked into your ear and convinced you to bring a lawsuit trying to obtain some type of money as compensation, and this has nothing to do with whether or not the doctor really did anything wrong. The moment you go ahead and apologize to the doctor, all of a sudden that information will be transmitted to his attorney, and now you get up to testify, boom, they're going to use it to cross-examine you to show that you really don't have a valid case, and in fact you feel so guilty for bringing this lawsuit that you actually went over and apologized to him. You know, I recognize you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need answers, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.